We are back again. Hello guys. Welcome to the stream. So whoever is watching the stream, right? So what we are going to do today is we are learning about C# signal, all C# APIs for signal, and I'll be using auto loads as well as all other signals I will be using. So before that, like, share, and subscribe. Here comes my promotions. So what I'm doing right now, right? I'll create just for my understanding, I'll be creating a area 2D. Maybe I have a basic idea of how to use this area 2Ds and the timers. So if anyone is watching, so I will explain how to do it. So let's say area. So it needs collision. Collision needs now add a right. So let's say if you have a sprite like this, right? Sprite sheet. And it is not any animatable objects, and you need to select only one particular sprite in this, right? So what you can do to drag this into your sprite 2D, go down here, region enabled on, click on here, on edit region, and be selecting this. So with that, I'm able to select a particular sprite. So let me have a test area like this. We'll be creating test area. So on ready. So let's emit a signal whenever any body enters into the area 2D. This dot area entered. So plus equal to is the way you can connect your signals to your functions. So whenever any signal is emitted, you can simply call like this: your signal name plus equals your function name. My signal function will complain because this function doesn't exist, so I'll create a function for that, my signal function. So and it is complaint because the area 2D it accepts it passes a body parameter, right? Whenever any area body enters, it should be a type of node 2D other area. Yep. Now the error has been gone. So this way you can just call this function whenever any body enters. Okay, now we need to check. Okay, how we are going to check is, let's say if my player body, right, is only the thing it needs to detect, then how can I check that? Other area dot owner. So whenever any body enters, right, so let's say it detects a collision body of area node, right? Then I am trying to get dot owner. Dot owner will basically gives open my player not player bullet. So this is responsible for detecting the areas. So I'm getting the dot owner, means basically the player. So then I can check is player. So this is my player class. So since this is my class, so basically in C# I can simply check is player, or like let's see if it is player bullet, right? Is player bullet, I can check like that, like this, player bullet. So as of now I will check only my player. Then I will simply say gd.print. So player. Okay. This completes the basic signal detection. So I will be detecting, yeah, player. It is existing in player 1 layer, and I am also detecting player. So let me add this into my scene area. Yeah. Grab that. So now, if my player body enters, right, it should print hello player. Let's see. See here, it print my hello player. Now with this, we are able to do area detections. So similarly, I want to show you one more thing. Okay, let's say you have a timer, right? Timer also having signals. So all the signals you can detect it from here, node attribute. In this node inspector, for collisions, you have these many node signals. Right? You can create your custom signals also. That also I will show you. For area, you will have all these type of signals. Similarly, you have timer also. Timer having this timeout signal. I will use that also. Okay. So if you guys are new to this stream, right? So I'm using a plugin, Godot Utilities. So basically, instead of I want to get this timer into my script, right? I have to write like this, var node. Var timer, timer equal to get tree dot get node, right? Get node in group. Like this, I have to do all these get node functions, right? Instead of that, writing that complete thing, I can simply use these Godot utilities. So basically, I can add into my project. There is my game.cs. So in my project, I can just add my. This is like a NuGet library, so I can install whatever packages I want. Then simply I can refer this, and it should be described with scene on the top of my class. So this is my class, right? Area 2D class. Here I'll write scene attribute. Then I need to have this thing. So I created a template. So whenever my C# script creates, right, this will automatically create it. How to do this is all already there in my one of my videos which I have done. You can go and watch that. Okay. So basically, how simply I can write, right? See, I will define a node, then simply define my timer. Simple. That's it. With one line, I am able to get this timer. The child of this script, right? For this script, these are all the child nodes. Let's say I have one more node. Okay, you have node. For that node, you have this timer. So then, how it will detect is you need to make it as axis as unique. So So throughout this component, timer will be unique with name. Okay. I will show you how this will be creating. Basically, this is uses some reflection source generation, so it will try to match this name with this name. Okay, it will try to do snake case, camel case, underscore or else unique name, camel case, unique name, snake case, like that. It will try to best match with that node, and it will assign that node to this value. So in ready function, simply I can say timer.timeout, right? So whenever the timeout happens, so plus equals is the simple way I can do that. My timer timeout. Let's say I'll create this function. Can create like public or private. It is up to you based on the needs. My timer timeout. Print. A timer timeout. Let quickly set the timer. Okay. For now, let's have this way. Okay, I can show how it will be working. So it should be auto start. So every 2 seconds it should be printing this. Let me run this. See my timer timeouts. Every 2 seconds it will emptying my signal, and through that signal I am able to call my function. Other than this, how can you do it? Dot other way of doing the signal connection. You can do whatever you want. Okay. Either you can write timer.timeout, your signal name. It should be, I think, name of, because it accepts only string name. So in C# you can. So the thing is, right, there can be manual errors when you are typing any strings, right? Let's say you have a signal name. That signal name is like 10 characters name, right? There can be a manual error whenever you are typing, and you don't know what exactly the error, unless and until you went into the logs and check that error. So in C# you can define any string with name of, so it will automatically convert that to string whenever it got compiled, right? So I can say timer.timeout, comma callable.from. So I want to call a function. What is the function name? My timer timeout. So okay, this is not required. So anyway, this represents the sense of this class. Okay, let me comment the above one. So you can use this way, or else you can also use this. Both works. So let me show you this how it. Now it should, irrespective of the connection, it should work. It broke. Time to connect non-executable timeout. From everyone. Please like and share. Like the stream. Okay. Why this is not working? I think I need to use this question mark. So I think I need to use this null chain operations dot connect. This way. I think somewhere I used the same thing. Easy. Help component dot connect. Emo. I think this connect is always works for only the what we say user defined signals. I think this is not required for already Godot existing object. These are nodes, right? These node connection, I think no need to connect. Basically, this should be fine. Okay, let me see. Okay, other way of creating my signal, right? User defined signal. Like signal. Public delegate. So in C# you can use your signals with delegate. So how to define a signal is node attribute. The attribute should be signal. Then our modifier. Then it should be defined with the delegate as a type. Void means no values returning, right? Then your signal name. My voice is audible. A signal. After that, you need to write event handler, or else your signal won't get completed, because each of this event handler should be appended to my signal name. So whenever it is running, when it is on the runtime, right, compile time, this will be removed and your signal name will be. That's how you define your signals in C#. Okay, then dot connect. Can emit, right? Let me emit when body enter. Let signal. Name dot my first signal. So it will emit the signal. What should I do now with emitting the signal? Reference, I will take my player. Okay. This node will be in my connect. Can reference this node, right? Testing purposes, I will put in a entities table, right? So this entity player, I will refer this node, my player script. So I can have access to that node. So let me have it like a auto load functions, global functions. But as of now, I don't want to do. For now, what I can do, right? I'll have a reference. So I will export it. Export public area 2D. Other area. Okay. So this dot connect name of area 2D dot it should be static. That's it. Let's see why this is not working. Avoid. Join that. Let me. your class. That is what it is. So from that I'm able to connect. Let's see if it is actually works or not. It is working, guys. So you can see, right? Catched the signal from area to the test object. I'm able to get the reference to this test area to my player, and with that, whenever my player enters into this body, right, I'm emit the signal, my first signal. So that one I'm able to catch it here with it. I'm referencing that node here. That node I'm connecting to this with a signal of this and calling this function. With this, I'm able to connect my signals wherever I want. So the thing here is, right, I made it as export variable and referenced the object, but the best way to possible is whenever I want to emit a signal, right, I want to emit global dot signal name dot that signal. So throughout the script, I can simply reference it. That is one of the best way you can do. If you want to use signals within this script, right, you can use these delegate voice basic signals. This is the easiest way. If you want to connect the signals but you don't know where the object will lie, right, then you should be using global events. So let me show you. I have a global event previously done, but it's work in progress. Global, not this one. Game event. This one I tried to do, but kind of a little bit too. I don't know what I did. Look into the stream, guys. What's up? How are you? So that completes basic connection. Let's say I want to pass some values, right, from my test area to my player. How can I do that? I have an int number. I want to emit that value as well. Let's say public int equal to 555. I want to emit that. Can I do this? And use it like a method. I think I need to pass like this number. So this is my signal. Whatever values be like this. Okay, that is what it is. Variants. So I can create in a class. So it accepts all type of values I want emitter. That argument I can just simply what I can say, emit from the signal. Let me see how can I connect into my layer. Is that take dollar, right? I can do. So I want to pass that value. I pass variable dot from can I pass that callable throw error. Say this is the type I want to do. Let's see how it will. My first time I'm also doing. Hope my voice is audible. I'm able to pass that variable. Now I got it. So good. I'm able to reference that value here. Value I'm here, and with that I am able to comma callable the class argument that I'm passing in. Good. Nice. Learned something today. Let me take a note of it, guys. Second. Hi, brother. Hi, Yadav. How are you? Nice meeting you. I remember your name actually. That day you came around like 12 p.m., 12 a.m., right? At the time you are about to go to sleep. I remember you. That profile pic. With this, I'm able to complete this basic things, right? About signals learning progress, basic. Done. What else I have done? Connecting, passing custom values. Done. Auto loads anyway I have done previously, so I can do that. And mark it as done. So what else in the signals I need to do? Ping, connecting, passing custom. Let me do one thing. Let me create a class. Public class member args trial free ID public ping. So I have created this class. Let me do like this. I'll be creating one more. Should be my second signal. Yes, I should be referencing this number of arcs. Per arcs. Do that. Or else arcs. Static. Basically put near it from the another scene, so basically I can do all these things. For now, let's have it like this. It is complaining. have this, right? Use static. To reference my auto load game event. Where it is coming. Is it needs to be ref counted? I need to put it in separate class. So some per hour. Now, so the thing is right. May reduce the volume. Hyper. So what is happening, right? So let's say if you want to pass a custom values, like you want to pass some node and some parameter values and all, apart from system data types, right? You need to create your own class, and it needs to be ref counted. So with this ref counted only, Godot can able to assign that values, like it will deassign the nodes on time. It is so it can be garbage collected and all other stuffs. So once I ref counted these values, I can simply that values like this arg type you need to create like parameter values like number. Int mh equal to d on one named. So this one I can pass, right? Or else I can just simply pass this complete thing. So I don't need to initialize this variable. So with this, I'm able through my custom signal, right? This is my user-defined function. So I want to pass some parameter values like this: ID, damage, names, and so it is ref counted. So I can this class as my variable, parameter variable. So my class. So this event handler will be removed, and this is my signal, my second signal. Okay. And I'm emitting my signal, emit signal name dot. I think I need to use, or else it will be a problem. Members arc. Okay, let me catch that values in my layer. Second signal. It should be passing. What is that type? Member arcs, something arc, and take the arcs. Should be my private void. Well, we taking that number arc as a value. Okay. gd.print, and you need to define a dollar between string, so you can pass that values as a parameter values. Then you can find it here like this. Pass it like damage name, right? Names. Let me see. These all values will be passed from this my user defined function through signal, and it is connecting to my player. My player is passing those values to my function. Hello, Team Stacker. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, programming. I enter, right? ID, so damage number, and my name also print. Working. Make a note of this also. With this, I'm able to do all my signal connections, what not. I think I can mark this as complete. custom parameter. Now I understood a little bit. Learning or creating something. Both. Today's stream is basically I'm teaching myself and I'm learning. So last streams and I created something. So on the off streams, whichever I'm learning, right? So I'm creating little bit ahead before the stream, so then I can show you what is my progress and all. Signals, I am very weak, so I thought of doing today itself the stream. Signals and all, I don't know how to do and all. So I know only basic things. These things first two. These two I just now figured it out. Now it is working. Here in the game. Document. I don't forget. If I need any reference, then I can simply come here and there's a make a proper note of it. I'll do a probably off stream. I will write in notes. This is my Notion app, not app. Basically, it is web based. Can you have app also? Windows, Android. My note taking app, my dashboard, to-do list. One kind of done almost. I need to fix that bug. So what I did, right? Let me show you my progress. Forgot to do that. So here we go. Enemies will be tracking down onto the player each frame. They don't know why they showed that floating text damage. So I can shoot it and it takes damage and enemy is having 10 HP. If I shoot one more bullet, it should die. This is my progress. So I used my particles, so it's look like a rocket trajectories, but it is simple. So I added my GPU particles here. So this is my PNG. Basically what I done, right? I put this PNG as my process material. After that, what I done is create a canvas material. Here you need to tell how many H frames and V frames in your sprite. Then it automatically create like this. And I done some tweaking for some values. This is my color RAM. If I want to change my color, right, I can change it here. So with this, I'm able to do what I can do, right? Whenever it is starting, like you can one shot also for grenade kind of things. So unless this bullet is colliding with anything, it won't stop emptying. This is my script. This is a nice way of having my function. Okay. So with this, what I can say, right? Hitbox component, right? I think. Hmm. When I'm creating my bullet, right? I can just say bullet dot set bullet property. So this function basically takes my all my global position, rotation, direction, speed, damage. So these arcs are all are coming from bullet arcs. This is my class, which is extending from my character body 2D. So all my player bullet and enemy bullets inherit from this bullet class. So in my bullet class, I created this separate arcs, bullet arcs class. So with that, I'm able to pass this as a parameter values, and I can define it as a single list, right? Kind of list. We have a quick water break. We'll be back in 2 minutes. Back. Think I'm not able to done it at all. Think me. So those who don't know about this website, right? So this is called Game UI database. So frequently or whenever I need any inspiration, right, I will just hit this website. Let's say you want to know about Sonic Superstars, how the game UI looks like. So this is a collection of screenshots for throughout the game. What is the options and what is the levels you will be getting? What is the modes you are getting? And all will be documented here. These are all contributed by people. You can also contribute, and there is a specific format they will be asking you to submit it. So it is a free to use, so you can go here and just fire one need abstract class. Let's say this. See how the UI one actually. My opinion, every game dev should have this website. Be using this website. Let's say Super Mario Bros. See, this is the UI we getting in the game. For sure, it doesn't have all the UIs, but you will get something, right? To inspire from something like 2D roguelike. Can I do that? Dead Cell. So for the complete UI, they're using this blue tint. Like this thing. So box containers, radio button containers, right? So where containers and it's also having little shading. I want to do this thing, power component. Asthma. This game is so good. I played it once. I think I played one. Here we go. Android games. I'm thinking of switching to GD script soon because I want to make Android games. But C Sharp is still in not stable version. Android exports are not stable. It's still experimental. macOS, I don't know. It will be by November itself. It is depending upon the Microsoft releases, .NET releases. So until and unless they support iOS, we are not getting that support. So Android is still in experimental for C Sharp. So for Android export alone, I want to do GD script. I also saving up some money for to buy some tablet, Android tablet, so I can test my Android games in the proper resolution. Mobile also fine, but I want to do double check on tablet also. And also I wanted to buy tablet for a long time, but somehow I just end up spending my money on my keyboard mouse with earbuds and all. Let's see how it will. I think I can do now because I learned how to use signals, right? Let me put it into. So when mouse entered, the logic will be like the object will be on the ground whenever player or mouse enters, right? The object will be holding all the information with a class or a resource, something like that. Then when the signal, when the interaction happened, it should emit that signal. It should emit a signal with all the data in it. So when that happens, the hover over component, right? It should be creating a this kind of structure, right? A to-do structure where it will have a header, description, all the icons and all, and some perks and all. So it should able to connect those values to these components, and should be able to set that values. That should be good. Let's try. Let me try that and how it will. I have hover over delete that. Where it is. I already done something, but for now let me keep it. Those who are watching the stream, guys, so drop a comment or suggestions or anything improvements. I will take it. Those who are having any questions related to Godot, right? So please feel to reach out. You can put it in the chat. I'll try to explain it. If not, I will go and search it, and then in the next stream I might be explaining that thing. I'll do my best. I think it didn't got failed. It's fine. What I will do? Should I have it like a canvas item? Have canvas item if I change any screen resolution, right? It should really take care of that. But I don't think so. I need a canvas item. Try a or no. focus is how can I do that? Control node. Control node with origin from here, right? You have a box container. 540, right? For this. Display info or something like that. Don't know what is the proper name I need. Let's call it display info. Things add it. Box container should have horizontal box container. So this box container should have a label that will be my header. Okay, my header title. I have one more here itself. I need to define like 40. Is it is become like this. my title and this horizontal. Doesn't need wrapper and this wrapper component. Like that, this is the description. I have that. Should be able to have a what more label like title. Then it should be on my left. I need to use a one margin container, right? In container. For UI, I need to learn. Okay, my description container. I think I need to use again the box container. There are two managers. One is responsible for take all the values by let's say gem, all the attack material ID, and that is responsible for emitting a signal. What I need to do, let me create here. Create one more. Yeah. Even create one more. We'll be referring some node as well. F counter should be item. Have ID. Have ID is not required. That's second one. Title, description. Other one is attack. Coming item class. I know this is a very bad naming convention structure, but that's how we learn from. I want to learn first. I'll refactor my code. Anyway, I'm checking if my body enter is player, then I will be emptying this one. It title. But what should be the title, guys? That should emptying my I am emitting this signal. This needs to be whenever the signal got emitted, I need to listen. I think I need to create a I do that. I put it in a manager and I since unexited I think that is the best way I can do. That defeats the purpose of any model. You can have multiple values through a it should be auto load. How it I need to use connect because I'm using the defined. Other thing is I shouldn't be doing like this. My enemy or something or whichever it is dropping, right? That is responsible to assign these items be created in a one function. That function I will automatically assign. So that thing whenever it triggers it will connect. I think if it is a global then it is easy. Let me think about again one at a time, making it too complex. I think I'm able to pass that values. Don't know work or not for now. Print print. Let's see if this works. The issue callable packet. Sure, it will throw some error because it will say like that signal doesn't exist. We're putting in autoload. So whenever my pod player enters, right? It catch. Telling my item event is non-existent. So I think what I should be doing, right? God. Still it won't work because I think test area. So this is what the issue right now. I don't know from which sense it needs to connect. The test area. Work like this. Test area. Test. Set This is why we need to pass the reference object. Same thing how I did for my player. I should be what variable I guess. Or else I can do one thing. Autoload I can't use get tree, right? Autoloads is the one which will always created first before my node getting added. Can't do that. These all values should be part of that should first it should be auto load. Then it signal public static. Then take this. One issue after another. Delegate what I use. So I now need to use static. Then auto load dot man dot signal name my event. So I'll be passing all my event, and this is my node will be responsible for this is responsible for emitting, and this is what holds the here. So with that, in my player itself, I'll be taking that the display info. Okay. Where can I do? Underscore ready. Yep. Manage connect. Dot connect. Oh. Manage. Here I am emptying. Emits item. I delete it. Much below. I'll deal with this now. We auto load. Whenever my body enters, it will trigger this. Once it got triggered, I'm able to connect that thing to my player. Let's see. build the project. Then I will instance that node. Is telling her that not exist. My event callable. I think it should be this manager. Game event. To this thing. Having a hard time getting this pay info. What I'm doing should be working. That's what I also do. This is a problem with auto load and using inflow. I'll name this signal I'm connect, right? Friends now. Pass it. Direct access. That should work. But it is not, I'm not able to fetch this thing. Been auto loaded actually. Let me see. Listening, tempting, hit the connected. So auto loads will work like this. So either way, this is the issue. I'm not able to fetch that particular. How can I do? So this is where auto loads having trouble. How can I connect it? Anyone in the chat know how to do? So far, it was good. I'm able to do all kind of signal connections. But when it comes to auto loads, right? I'm not able to reference this info manager signal. Auto load static. Need to follow this. And I should be able to go with that. Just area. Right? No need to pass it. We say, okay, info manage that name. Come info. Go with this. Keep populating into it. Then still gonna connect this. Still null reference issue. Else are so pain to work. To connect non-exist my event callable. I think it is a global, right? I can simply say like how to do. Either way, I'm able to do this thing, right? I'm able to emit my signal, but I want to connect this signal. Hence, It is a auto load, but I don't know. I can reference my still it is expecting to get that. Ask the reference. So definitely this is not going to work. So load should have automatic something it is asking. What exactly that means? Comma. In it actually. It's taking the should I use this thing? Where the equal to dot get first of type. I can set this. Can I do that? Throwing error. Object reference not set. Not get tree I can use, right? Get tree. Only the main part, if I able to connect this thing. The object. Don't know how to handle this. Even after auto load, I mean not able to reference that object. So that make connection invalid. I can access my display as info manager, but since it is auto load, I don't know how. A node. Okay, how long this been over stream? So let's take a break, guys. So tomorrow, maybe if I have time, I will be streaming. So today is a great progress. Only thing it didn't work is auto loads. I will look into this. I'll try to resolve it in the next stream. I will tell you how can I how did I fix it. Thanks for the